Alright guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to talk about another pocket knife from Gerber. So, stay tuned through the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, EDC videos, then you have come to the right place. Please consider hitting that subscribe button if you haven't already. Okay, so today we're going to talk about this knife I picked up from Gerber. It is the Gerber E.A.B. So all stainless steel. You may have seen this knife before, I don't know, but this is a razor knife. But it is also a liner lock. So you have a little groove here to put your finger and hold on to. Now I can tell you this wouldn't be something, if I had to use a box cutter all day long, I would want to use this. But it is really cool to carry, really nice to have in your pocket for those opening a box or something you need a really sharp knife and you don't have to worry about the blade, because all you have to do is unscrew that flathead screw right there and you can remove this razor blade and replace it or flip it or whatever you need to do. There was a review on Amazon that said you could take this knife and take the blade out and you could fly with it. If you were going somewhere for a week or an extended period of time, you could take this blade out, fly with this, and then when you got there you could go to a hardware store and buy a new razor blade and put in it, and you have a pocket knife. Now I don't know that, and I'm not going to tell you to do that, but I hadn't flown enough to know if I can or not. But I'm just telling you what somebody in the reviews said. It makes sense, but you guys that fly more than I do, let me know if that would pass through the airport, or if it would get you in trouble because they found something like this without a knife blade in it. I don't know, so I'm not telling you to do it. I'm just saying be careful. What's really cool about this is if you don't want to use this as a pocket clip, it works as a money clip, and it is super strong. So if you just wanted to carry this in your pocket and use it as a cash clip, money clip, it works really good. All stainless steel. It is 2.4 inches closed, and if it's fully opened, it is 4.1 inches open. And you can, I can't do it with that hand because I'm used to doing it with this hand. That screw head right there allows you to be able to do it one-handed and open it. So that is a plus. I like a knife that I can open with one hand. So this way it is 4.1 inches long. It weighs in at 2.2 ounces, so it's not heavy at all to be all stainless steel. Let's see. You can pick this knife up for $18, right around $18 on Amazon. I'll have links in the description below for both Amazon and Gerber, so you can choose where you want to get it from if you are interested. But I like it. It's small. It's small and compact, so I could keep this in my pocket if I wanted to as a money clip, or I can carry it with the pocket clip, and it works out really well. I have used it. You can see you can see that blade. I have been using this. I've been carrying this for a couple weeks now before I did the review, just to test it out and see how it feels. Like I said, if you use a box cutter or use something like this on a daily basis, like for periods of time during the day, then this wouldn't work for you, just because it's going to mess your hands up. It's going to hurt after a period of time. But just for simple tasks, it feels fine. I like the way they added this finger groove here to give you one more little way to choke up on it and get your whole hand is now holding the knife. You don't have a pinky hanging off or anything like that. Your whole hand is holding it. So I've been carrying this as an EDC. Now, will it stay as my EDC? Probably not, but it will stay as something for me to carry in a pinch just when I want to carry it. It'll be one of those knives now that I'm doing the review on it. Alright guys, well, that's it. I mean, it's a simple knife that you can change the blade out. I have not changed the blade out just because I haven't used it enough to need to, but it's a simple screw, and you can see the screw comes through on the other side, so it just goes in there and holds that blade in place. If you've got any questions, if I don't know the answer, I will find it for you. If you have any questions about this knife, please drop it in the comments. Have you ever seen this knife? I think they make another one similar to this, Gerber does. But have you ever seen this knife? If you have, let me know in the comments what you think about it. Yeah, would it be something you would use? or is it something you have no need for? But anyway, that's it for today. I hope you found this video helpful, and until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.